don't really know anything, which my impression of her was that she was. This is Shelby, and I wanted to do a little quick video of her. She'll be going home tomorrow. This is the horse that came in that wasn't as broke as I thought it was when it got here. First time I rode her was in the big arena. And she was tolerant, but she really didn't know anything, and she really wasn't all that broke. Since then, we've been working her on cows, getting her a little bit broker, getting some steering, getting some go. She is a very headstrong little mare, and she really likes to push cows around, push anything around. I did a video of her pushing the cat. She really, the owner is interested in using her for team penning, and I think she's gonna, think she could be very good at that. I don't have the cows in, so I'm not gonna work cows on her. For this video, I just wanted you to see her before she went home. And, nope. See, little things like that still needs to be better. She tries to take charge a little bit. But she's going to be a nice horse. We've only got 30 days on her, and she's a pretty headstrong little horse. When the owner bought her, some kids were riding her around bareback with a halter. So she was pretty tolerant of them. But when I got here and went to ride her, she didn't know anything. And since then, we've been working on go and steering and stop, and now she knows a little bit. She's kind of a little bit headstrong and don't always want to give it to me, but just continued riding, that's going to get better. This is a real, what I call a gritty horse. And by gritty, I mean a horse that she doesn't give in easy. She'll go do a hard job and don't mind doing a hard job. Where what a less gritty horse, as soon as the job gets hard, they would start complaining and quit and give up. This horse has no quit and give up in her. She is not registered, not really sure what she is. The owner bought her from a Native American family in, I believe, in Oklahoma. If I remember, I'm not positive about that. And quite possibly she's a reservation Mustang. Possibly she's just an unregistered quarter horse or some sort of cross. She's small, but she's built real nice. She's built more like a quarter horse than she is a Mustang. But she has kind of that Mustang gritty mind, which is pretty nice. I'll try to pick up this whip and let's see what she does. Nope. We have worked this whip off of her several times, and she's not scared of it, even though she'll act like she's scared of it. She's not really scared of it. She just don't want to. Come on. Let me get off and work it on the ground. What I'm doing there, she wanted to spook, so I'm just pulling her head to the side and I'm bumping on her with my spur, letting her know that's not acceptable. Just going and saying, that's okay, that's okay, that's just going to reinforce the bad behavior. I need to let her know that that bad behavior is not acceptable. See how once she knew that she had to let me pick it up, she let me pick it up. That's kind of her mentality. If I know you're gonna make me, if I know you're gonna make me, you can do it. See how this is going to go. We've done this before several times, but she wants to act like it's something to be afraid of. Now let's go over to the step. I want to pull my saddle over to the side. There we go. Good girl. So now she started walking. I didn't ask her to walk. I'm going to ask her to stay in this circle. I really want to encourage her to stop. I'm not going to stop rubbing it on her till her feet get still. Good girl. Now she's standing on it, but that's okay. More of this needs to be continued with her. Stepping it off of the whip. More of this needs to be continued with her. But she's going to go home, and I want you to see where she's at. Now when she came in, she was tolerant about the kids walking around on her. That's how the owners looked at her when she saw her. But it's kind of funny. She only tolerates stuff like when she wants to tolerate it. Just strong-willed, gritty-minded horse. I think this horse is going to make a really good team pennant horse. See how she walked off wanting to go to these horses? She is not least bit concerned about what I'm doing. She just wants to do her thing. No, she's pushing through the stop, wanting to do her own thing. She knows how to stop. She knows how to whoa. But she's pushing through. Good girl. Good girl. Now she's still wanting to go see those horses. Even though I've got this in my hand, waving it around, she's still wanting to go see those horses. If she was afraid of it, she would be wanting to go away from it. She's not afraid of it. She just wants to do her own thing. She don't like that it inconveniences her. It's important when you're working your horse that you recognize the difference. I just had it on the right side and she's still trying to go see those horses. Really don't want to force her to stand still. I'd rather her feet be moving. As long as her feet are moving, I can control direction. Still wanting to go see those horses. But she is letting me control her in the circle. Back in the circle. She wants to react when it makes a little bit of a sound. Keep making a sound. Now she's still wanting to go with those horses. No string. There we go, getting better. She wanted to stop there and I didn't let her because we were facing away from the camera. So she'll want to stop here more. There we go. Then I'll take it away. So this is Shelby. I wanted to give you a little bit of video of where she's at so you can see what she's doing. She'll be going home tomorrow, so this will be the last video of her. She's still a long ways away from where I would like her to be, but she's got a good start, and if the owner will continue with what we've been doing, I think she can end up with a really nice horse and going in the direction of team penning and cow work. So I'll put a link up here to her other videos on YouTube. Until next time, thank you for watching.